Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Clickup application in your desktop. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Clickup download. Scroll down a little bit, there you can see download Clickup, or directly go to clickup.com/download. It will then take you to this type of interface in your screen. Scroll down a little bit, there you can see download for mobile, download for desktop. In desktop you can see download for Mac, download for Linux, and download for Windows. Choose according to your device, then your download process will begin. This is how you can download Clickup in your PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.